Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EA&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. There's a moderate risk for severe weather today that encompasses east, central, and southeastern Missouri and southwestern Illinois. Cities in today's moderate risk for severe weather today include St. Louis, Missouri, St. Charles, Missouri, St. Peter's, Missouri, Florissant, Missouri, and Chesterfield, Missouri. There's an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses central and southeastern Missouri, parts of Arkansas, far northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky, southwestern Indiana, and central and southeastern Illinois. Cities in today's enhanced include Memphis, Tennessee, Little Rock, Arkansas, Springfield, Missouri, Springfield, Illinois, and Evansville, Indiana. Areas in the yellow are in a slight risk for severe weather today. Alright, the yellow is the slight risk area. And areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather today. Okay? Cities in today's slate include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Nashville, Tennessee, and Cincinnati, Ohio. And areas in the marginal today include Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, Kansas City, Missouri, Lexington, Kentucky, and Garland, Texas. Excuse me. Going to the tornado threat for today, there's a 15% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses eastern Missouri and southwestern Illinois for that 15% tornado risk area. Cities in the 15% tornado risk area today include St. Louis, Missouri, St. Charles, Missouri, St. Peter's, Missouri, Florissant, Missouri, and Chesterfield, Missouri. There's a 10% chance of tornadoes today covering parts of Missouri, far northeastern Arkansas, far northwestern Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky, southwestern Indiana, and central and southeastern Illinois. Cities in the 10% tornado risk area today include Springfield, Illinois, Evansville, Indiana, Columbia, Missouri, Decatur, Illinois, and Champaign, Illinois. Alright. Areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of tornadoes today. Areas in the dark green are in a 2% tornado risk area for today. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Aurora, Illinois. And the 2% tornado risk area today includes Nashville, Tennessee, Kansas City, Missouri, Louisville, Kentucky, Fort Wayne, Indiana, and Madison, Wisconsin. Now, if you look at the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the Tornado Intensity Index. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for EF1 tornadoes or stronger today. And if you notice, there's a solid line area here, which is a level 2 of 3 on the Tornado Intensity Index. The solid line area is where we have the highest potential for violent tornadoes of EF3 rating or stronger today within the solid line area. Alright, the solid line is the highest potential for for tornadoes to reach or exceed EF3 rating or stronger today. Alright. Cities in the solid line area, aka highest potential for EF3 tornadoes or stronger today, includes St. Louis, Missouri, Springfield, Illinois, Columbia, Missouri, Decatur, Illinois, and St. Charles, Missouri. And the black dashed area, aka highest potential for EF1 tornadoes or stronger today, that includes Memphis, Tennessee, St. Louis, Missouri, Little Rock, Arkansas, Springfield, Missouri, and Springfield, Illinois. Going to the wind for today, there is a 45% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses east, central, and southeastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky, southwestern Indiana, and most of Illinois. Alright, so Hitting the 45% wind risk area today include St. Louis, Missouri, Springfield, Illinois, Evansville, Indiana, Peoria, Illinois, and Decatur, Illinois. There is a 30% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses extreme southeastern Iowa, central Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, north central Mississippi, parts of Tennessee, parts of Kentucky, central Indiana, and parts of Illinois. The 30% wind risk area today includes Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, Louisville, Kentucky, Clarksville, Tennessee, and Columbia, Missouri. Areas in the yellow are in a 15% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today within the yellow. All right, and the brown is the 5% wind risk area for today. All right, cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Nashville, Tennessee, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. And areas in the brown, the 5% wind risk area today includes Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, Garland, Texas, and Shreveport, Louisiana. So, going to the hail for today, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering much of Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky, and parts of Illinois. The 30% hail risk area today includes Memphis, Tennessee, St. Louis, Missouri, Little Rock, Arkansas, Springfield, Missouri, and Springfield, Illinois. There is a 15% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, covering southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Arkansas, far northwestern Louisiana, western and southern Arkansas, northern Mississippi, far northwestern Alabama, parts of Tennessee, parts of Kentucky, western Indiana, parts of Illinois, western and northern Missouri, and southeastern Iowa. The 15% hail risk area today includes Evansville, Indiana, Peoria, Illinois, Clarksville, Tennessee, Davenport, Iowa, and Fort Smith, Arkansas. Areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today within the brown. All right. The 5% hail risk area today includes Chicago, Illinois, Dallas, Texas, Indianapolis, Indiana, Austin, Texas, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 in the hail intensity index for today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger today. So, the black dashed area, cities in the black dashed area today include Memphis, Tennessee, St. Louis, Missouri, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Springfield, Missouri. Alright, so, in summary, numerous severe thunderstorms are expected from the mid-Mississippi and Lower Ohio valleys into the mid-south through the evening, with a threat for multiple strong to intense tornadoes EF3+, widespread severe and damaging wind gusts, and scattered large to very large hail. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. This can be a very dangerous day today. This is going to be a very dangerous day today. So, stay safe in your effect areas today. Stay safe in your effect areas today, no matter what risk you're in, and have a plan in place today to have a plan in place to seek shelter today. Have we been notified for severe weather, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone? Yeah, so have a plan in place to seek shelter today. And, yeah, stay safe in the affected areas today, no matter what risk you're in, and I will see you in the day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.